So hi everyone, happy Music Money Monday. In today's episode, I am going to be answering some of the questions from the many questions that I received regarding 1, Tunecore, 2, how to get your royalties as a co-writer or producer, and 3, just uploading your music. Yes, but all these answers are gonna basically boil down to the same thing, which is song registration. So this is going to be a video highlighting the crucial importance of properly registering your songs. I also wanted to address the number one question I think I've been getting, which is, yes, I know my free download sheets have been having problems. People have been problems downloading them. I had a very big technological issue, but fingers crossed, I revamped everything and I think I fixed it. I'm pretty sure I absolutely fixed it. So I went back and changed all the links on those videos, but you don't even have to go to them. You can just click the link down below in the description box and you should be able to access all of the sheets in the same spot. Not only is it Music Money Monday, it is also my birthday. It's my last year in my 20s. So I just think it's great that I also hit 20,000 subscribers. Yes, symbolically, that just works for me. And Lord knows I'm a sucker for signs and symbols. So thank you, all of you. That's the best birthday present I could ever receive. Well, not ever. There's a lot of things I could receive and but I will take the 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it for real. And just thank you for everyone who's been rocking with me. And we're going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep doing this. We're going to keep going. But in the meantime, in between time, let's get into it. Okay, the first question I'm going to answer, I've gotten in many different forms and variations and lengths. So this is just a shortened version. But Tunecore says that I shouldn't register my songs with my PRO because they will do it for me. So do I still need to register my songs anyway? I did touch on this in another video. So if you want an in-depth version of this, then I would suggest watching that video, which I'll put up here or in the description box below somewhere. Look for it. But I have gotten this question a lot, even since I put out that other video. So I wanted to address it again, but state this differently because maybe it was lost on some of you. And maybe, this is new information. Who knows? But getting to the answer, if Tunecore is registering your songs with your PRO, then you do not need to register them again yourself. However, you absolutely do need to go check if they registered your songs correctly and connected it with your writer account. So Tunecore is a very big company, so they work on volume. And when you work on volume, there's a lot more room for error. And that error is going to show itself on your side, not on theirs, because they're the ones who registered the song. So of course they correctly registered it to themselves. But who knows if they correctly registered it to you, which happens. So you need to go through and make sure that it was correctly registered and connected to your writer account as well. So to do this, you need to log into your online account through your PRO's website, and you need to go through your catalog or your work registrations, however they word it on your PRO site. And you need to make sure that every song you have with Tunecore or CD Baby or any company like that you're registered with, you need to make sure that every one of those songs with them is listed in your account on your PRO's site. And if it's not, then that means they erroneously registered it to someone else, which, like I said, it happens more than you would think. So if this is true and if this is a thing, then you need to reach out to them and let them know that they effed up. They dropped the ball. But don't say it in those words. Like, probably use better terms than, hey, you fucked up and dropped the ball. You could say something like, hey, I realized that I wasn't receiving royalties for, I don't know why I'm typing, hey, I realized I wasn't receiving royalties for these songs. And then when I looked through my catalog on my PRO site, I realized that you may have incorrectly registered the song to someone else. So here is my actual account number, BMI account number, ASCAP account number, or other PRO account number. Here's my actual account number. Please connect this to the correct account, remedy the situation, and retrieve any past due royalties for me. Yeah, That sounds good. I think that sounds good. All right, so second question that I've also received a lot in many different forms, variations, and lanes is, how do I make sure that I am getting my royalties as a producer or a beat maker or a co-writer on a song if the other person has registered the song or said that they were going to register the song? So this answer is basically the same as the last one, a little different, but basically the same. You need to log into your online account on your PRO's website, and you need to go through your catalog or work registrations and make sure that those songs are listed there. And if they're not, then you can do a search for the song through BMI or ASCAP's repertoire catalog search, which on ASCAP's website, it is gonna say repertory on the left-hand side of their homepage on ASCAP's website. For BMI, it's going to be in the top right-hand corner on their homepage, and it's like a search box, and the repertoire search will pop up. So once you get there, then you're going to either search for the song title or the artist name, and then you'll be able to see how the song is currently registered, or if the song is even registered. If it's not registered, then you should go ahead and register it yourself. Bada bing, bada boom. If it is incorrectly registered, then you need to reach out to that other writer, artist, and have them update the work registration, or you can reach out to your PRO directly and let them know that you have a writing share on that song, and they will reach out to them too, but you just gotta figure that out. And the third question is, let me try to state this. So when I register my songs on BMI or ASCAP, there is nowhere to upload an MP3 or a WAV file. So does BMI or ASCAP work with DistroKid, Tunecore to get these WAV files? I'm confused on how they find it. Do they just automatically find it by working with them? This is true. You do not upload your actual music, WAV file, MP3 to your PRO's catalog when you register your songs, which is why, dun dun dun, it is very important to make sure that your songs are registered correctly, because that is all they have to go off of. That is all they have to go off of. So your PRO works together with these other companies that actually do have your sound recording, but the only way that gets connected is through your song registrations, which is why I've been trying to stress how important it is to make sure they are properly registered and actually registered to you through your PRO, which I have a very good video explaining this and giving you like some little tips, just showing you like how serious and important it is to make sure those registrations are connected, which again, I'll either be putting somewhere up here or somewhere in the description box down below, which you'll have to play a little hide and seek again, find it. I'm not really hiding it. I just said it's there or there. So it's two places, people, two places. Yeah, but that's about it, guys. I do want to touch on my actual number one question that I've been getting, which is, what is my fee for consultations? Do I do consultations? What's going on with that? Well, as you guys know or don't know, I have a very, very, very busy life and very, 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 very busy schedule. I am in law school, and that definitely takes up a lot of my time. When I mean a lot, like more than you could ever imagine. I have been working for a judge this summer. I am on different organizations. I have some actual clients that I do assist, but as much as I would like to take on more consultations, I just sadly don't have it in me right now. Because this is not my whole thing, I have my hands in way too many different pots. Like, I would love, absolutely, if I could just help each and every one of you, meet with each and every one of you one-on-one, and like help you reach your goals and get your royalties, get that money. But I just can't right now. But when I do figure this out, then of course you guys will be the first to know. I will make an announcement or put out a video, and I'll let you guys know that I'm open for consultations and how to do that. I think I'm also gonna put out a housekeeping video, like about the formalities of contacting me, because let me tell you guys that I get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of messages and comments and DMs and a lot of things. So I think I'm going to put out a formalities housekeeping video on what best ways to contact me or not. So I'm going to probably put that on Instagram though. I'm not here, so that's your cue to follow me on Instagram at Tynia Codes. I'm not even going to hide it from you. It's right here on the screen. But yeah, that's really about it, guys. Like, thank you again. Really, like, I don't even know. I wish I could show you guys how I feel inside that I'm helping so many of you, and I can't wait till I'm a lawyer in a couple years, 2 years, and can actually make this my full-time thing. So thank you guys so much.